A pulse oximeter is a non-invasive device that measures oxygen levels in the blood. It works by using infrared rays to measure the amount of oxygen present in the capillaries, most commonly in the fingertips. Pulse oximeters usually need a fingertip to be inserted into the device, and held there for 6 to 10 seconds. The values of SpO2 and pulse rate are displayed on the device. Having dark nail polish or cold extremities can show lower values of SpO2 than they actually are, so it is advised to remove any nail polish to avoid interference with the accuracy of the measurement. Hemoglobin is a protein in the blood that carries oxygen to cells of the body. This process is very important to ensure the proper functioning of organs and tissues. Any deficiency of oxygen can lead to adverse effects on the different organ systems that keep our body functioning normally. A normal level of oxygen is usually 95% or higher. Some people with chronic lung disease or sleep apnea can have normal levels around 90%. The SpO2 reading on a pulse oximeter shows the percentage of oxygen in someone's blood. If your SpO2 reading is lower than 95%, call your healthcare provider. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, if you like our videos.